This is Mahesh, the freelancer. So in this video, I'll try to explain for the hit app. Would the user want this alternative or additional product? So I have already qualified for this hit app in my multiple accounts. So I thought I could explain this hit app so that you could qualify and you could you know working on this hit app. So let's begin. So here the search term is ring floodlight camera. Looks like user is searching for the camera. It was a product, uh, and the ad displayed here is a wireless security 24 by 7 production. Is just 15 months or something. It was not a product related ad, but what is it? Wireless security. It was not. It looks like it was not a camera ad. So I'll say it was not option 1 because user just can't go by clicking this with this ad. It was not option 2 as well because it was not a competitive or a similar product, I would say. Simply Safe. What is it? Let's look over here. Simply Safe. It was about home security systems. Okay, it was a camera and the ad is about home security systems. It looks like it was also let's see here. Ring floodlight camera is also related to home security. Yes, of course. So I would say it was not of a specific brand, I would say. So I could say use option number 1 because user could just click on this item and click on this URL and he could purchase this camera if you want. So I'll go with option 1 here. Submit. Let's close this. rei.com. So specifically user had mentioned a portal. What is this? Life outdoors is a life well lived. Let's see what's this website about. So it was an online, looks like it was an online portal. Fitness, etc. Just a second, there is some disturbance over here. I'm sorry guys, there is a lot of disturbance over here. Once again, yeah, so this ray.com is an online portal differently, and amazon.com is also an online portal, right? So I would say it was not option 1, it was option 2. It was competitive or alternative to this ray.com, which is amazon.com. So I'll go with option 2 here. Let's submit. Popcorn Yan. So looks like is he just searching for images, or he want to buy this thing? Okay, maybe he want to buy this Popcorn Yan, which is this one. Here it was a Yan website, Yan sale online. So user could just click on this URL and could reach the search term, this specific Popcorn Yan, by clicking the ad. I'll go with option 1 here. So let's submit. Best price on Prime RIB roast. Okay, I think he's searching for the best price on which one? RIB roast. Okay, looks like Is RIB roast a specific website? It looks like a food item. So is it option 1? Of course not. User just can't just click this URL and get this best price. Let's check what is elkuza.com. Best prices including ELK steaks, meat buffalo. Yeah. So I think it sells meat. This website sells meat and there are also the best prices here. So I'll go with option number 1 because he haven't mentioned any specific product. So he can just click on this search term and he could find this. He can find best price on RIB roast. Let's submit. BettyCrocker.com. So user has mentioned a specific name of the website here. Here it was, what is this? From our kitchen to yours. It looks like it was a restaurant or a similar one where we can purchase food. It was classico.com here. It was a different portal where it is also, we could purchase food. So I'll say it was not, it was a competitive or alternative for this search term. So I'll go with option 2. Submit. Homes for sale in Spania, New York. Okay, so this was the search term, and ownonly.com is also home estimates used by pros. Let's search what is ownonly.com. Okay, Ownonly helps to find home estimate and nearby house prices through a secure platform. So I would say option 1 because user just click on this URL and he could be able to find the prices of the homes here. So I'll go with, just a second, search is for information. Clearly it's not for information, so you want to buy something, so I'll go with option number 1. So let's submit. Sunny Canton. So what is that? Sunny Canton admissions looks like it was a college. Looks like it was a college, and it was Southern NH University here. So I'll say it was competitive or alternative for this Sunny Canton. I'll go with option number 2 because if there is a Sunny Canton URL provided over here, we could choose option number 1. That user could just reach the search term by clicking the ad, but it was a different university here, so it was an alternative for the Sunny Canton. So I'll go with option number 2. Submit. CDC for flu. CDC is a government portal. So I think the user wants to know information about what this website provides information about this flu, but here it was a different portal, flu treatment and all the information. So it was an alternative for this CDC portal or government portal, I would say, because it was theraflu.com here. I'll go with option number 2. Submit. Christmas gift ideas for co-workers. So The search term is gift ideas. So clearly user is searching for the information here. So what is this, gifts for special occasions? Yeah, so user is searching for the information, and ad is related topic or product. Ad is a related topic because this Goldman Sachs.com, it provides gifts here. So it was a related ad over here. So, and also the user is searching for the information. So I'll go with option number 4. Let's submit. Craftsman 20-volt battery and charger. So user is looking for the battery and the charger. So Amazon.com. Yeah, user just click on this Amazon.com ad, and he could reach the search term Craftsman 20 volts battery. So I'll go with option number 1. Submit. So I'll say I thought I have explained enough about this particular hit app. Would the user wants this alternative or additional product? So if you find this video useful, please subscribe, guys. It will encourage me to make more videos on this topic. And thanks for watching, guys.